but I was a fan of Ankit Fadia. Then I used to do this Bluetooth hacking when Wi-Fi was not there. It was an age of infrared in smartphones and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth hacking was there. This DM on Instagram, and somebody saying, I don't know, sir, will you ever read my message, but just guide me. What is the best thing to earn money in digital world if I don't have passion, if I don't have its passion? Now this is you trying to have your life similar to you going to a job which you don't like, but you have to do it so that you can earn money, right? So if you don't have that passion to earn money from digital world, and if you still want to do it, then try to figure out and just do it. And now to figure that out, obviously it is not exactly the same like job. For job as well, like what you will need is, you will at least need some qualification, or maybe at times companies might need some skills, some talent, and if you don't have those things, then you won't get a job. And now once you get a job, what will happen? You'll have to scale your performance, you'll have to show the results, you'll have to show them the results in the report cards in the company as well, depending upon what kind of report cards they have, depending upon what kind of the floor managers you have. So everything is similar. Like people just fantasize this digital world in such a way that it is just sitting at home, computer pe baitho, phone pe chalao videos, and then you are making money online. It is not that. It is, after all, you making money, whether it is some kind of job or some kind of digital platform. The only difference in a job and this digital space is what? You are using internet, and you might be probably anywhere in the world, and then you are trying to work. So that point where I said work, that work is important. So unless you don't do work, or unless you are not good at that work which you are doing on digital space, how you will be able to make more money or even earn money? All right. So now let's boil down this. Now that you have understood that basic fundamentals in like a short 2-minute clip over here, let me just tell you that I see this earning money in digital space right now in 2021 world as something divided into two different segments. The first segment which I divide is something. Actually, I'm having my morning drink, so I'll have a little bit of sips in between the video. But yeah, two different segments. The number one segment is, you know, a few things which you like to do. All right. Example, maybe you collect flowers, maybe you collect coins, maybe you like reading, maybe you like video editing, maybe, let's say, because I'm having a morning drink, so let's talk about health as well. Maybe you like to stay fit, maybe you do yoga and you love yoga. So just try to figure out in your life, what are those few 4 or 5 things which you like to do, and then start talking about that in the form of a blog article on internet, or some kind of pictures on Pinterest or Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook, or some kind of video just like this on YouTube, or some kind of podcast episodes. All right, only 4 shapes of piece of content. Because now if you tell, no sir, but I'm not good at that, no Pratik bhai, I'm not good at that, I mean, then my question to you is, if you want to earn money digitally, then these are the only 4 shapes through which you can earn money. Whether you do it on your own for your own business, or you do somebody else's job. That's it, period, end of story. There is no other way. There is no rocket science. All right, in affiliate, let's a lot of people might say, no, but in affiliate marketing I can do something and I can make more money and all those things. Affiliate marketing as well, you build email lists. In affiliate marketing as well, you nurture them through your email newsletters. So what you are doing, you are writing, maybe you are filming a YouTube video and then sending that to your newsletter subscribers. So that is a video form. Maybe you are recording a podcast, then sending it to your email newsletters. That is your audio form. Maybe you are doing some pictures in your email newsletter. That is picture form. So anything which you are trying to do to earn money in digital space will revolve around these 4 things. So you have to be good enough in those things. All right. If you're not, then probably you won't be able to make more money, or in fact not even earn money. You'll fail miserably, just like you fail in jobs. All right, so that is the first segment. Try to search, or try to just think what you are good at or what you like doing. It is not necessary that you have to be good enough in that particular thing. You have to figure out what you like, 4 or 5 things in your life right now. All right, right now. So right now, if I give my example, I love filming videos. I can film videos anytime, apart from apart from a couple of things, like while bathing, while pooping, while peeing, and while sleeping. These are the 4. I mean, only 4 times I don't film myself, right? So I'm comfortable doing this kind of thing, and that's where I love doing this, and I'm just sharing my experiences. I also love marketing, branding, so I keep on talking about that as well. So those are 2 or 3 things. I love fitness, so at times I also film, or I also share my experience with respect to my fitness journey as well. But now you don't have to compare the sharing part which I'm doing right now in my life with you, right? Because I'm doing this since past couple of years now, so I have that grip on doing something on digital space, right? So try to compare. If you want to compare with my performance and everything, then try to compare with my 2013, 14, 15ish videos, where I was like dumb ass. I was not able to do things properly, but still I was just able to put out. I was just trying to be consistent in my work. So that is the first segment. All right, once you just figure out 4 or 5 things, start talking about that, start sharing things which you are learning and applying with respect to all those things, and that's it. That is the first segment of you just first going into the digital presence and digital space. Unless you don't have digital presence, how will you be able to make money? All right. And within that first segment, if you don't want to, this is the first segment in which I have told you to do something on your own and then try to make money. But if you don't want to do that, and if you instantly want to earn money without any presence, without you being known, definitely try to do some internships. Try to approach people just like you do in normal jobs. All right, 5, 6, 7, 10 years ago, people used to go with resume. People used to print out resume, CV, and then go to jobs, travel, and then do that hard work. Same thing you do over here. Go on Instagram, LinkedIn, DM people whom you think you want to work with or work for. DM them. You'll have to like apply. Just imagine one DM which you're putting out is you trying to reach out to one person. Try to do that for 1,000 people, because in getting a job as well, you have to do that hard work in the offline world, right? So why not in online world as well, right? So that is the first segment in which I've told you what you can do if you want to do job and then earn money, online job, and if you want to do something on your own and be able to make money online. Now let's talk about the second vertical or second segment. Second segment is all about you trying to self-audit yourself. What do you mean by that? You just sit every single day for 5 minutes, maybe early in the morning. I would recommend early in the morning, because that's the time where your mind is relaxed. You don't have that much of tensions of the entire day. As you go into the day, your mind keeps on thinking so fast. So try to do that every single morning when you wake up, if you have 5 minutes. And if you don't have 5 minutes out of your 24 hours, then you're not serious about your life. So try to figure out 5 minutes, and in those 5 minutes, sit, close your eyes and relax, and just think what you were doing which you just loved to do in the past. Maybe when you were a kid, maybe when you were like in your teen, maybe if you're right now 40, then what you are doing in your 30s, what you are doing. Right now, when I'm closing my eyes and going back in my past, when I'm going into my school, I was dancing. I was also drawing. All right, I was good at drawing. I used to like speak a lot. I was class monitor. In my college days, I used to give seminars on ethical hacking. All right, now I don't know anything, but I used to. I was a fan of Ankit Fadia. Then I used to do this Bluetooth hacking when Wi-Fi was not there. It was an age of infrared in smartphones and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth hacking was there. Windows hacking was there. Ethical hacking. All right. So just imagine when I'm going into my past right now, I'm just thinking, and then when I'm self-auditing, I'm trying to figure out that what was I actually doing, there would be one thing in common. Now, this is something which you won't be able to figure out in one go or in one self audit. It might take 3 months, 6 months, 9 years, I don't know, right? But try to every single day, try to self audit. And when I had been self auditing since past 5 to 6 years now at the age of 31, soon to be 32, by the time you are watching this, I might be 32, I don't know. But like when I am now doing it, all the time, the common point of me self-auditing in the past is communication. I have always been communicating, like first standard till 12th standard. I was the class monitor of my school, wherever I was, from in the houses as well. There used to be I don't know about the school right now, but in the houses, in the captains, vice captains, I always used to be there. Then in the college as well, I was the secretary of Computer Society of India. I was the president of IEEE student branch. So I have always been there and trying to communicate, trying to take that responsibility of me doing something for someone. And then in my job journey as well, when I took my first ever job of call center job, online chat representative, I was never thinking that I'm just an online chat representative. I always used to deliver 5x times more efforts and results to the company where I was working, raised myself to customer service head, then digital marketing job, raised myself to product manager, and then digital marketing, and still I'm trying to empower people from the bottom of my heart. So always I have been communicating in my jobs as well, all right, and in my work right now. So that communication part is something which I am always learning and polishing, right? If I will be seeing this particular 2021 video in 2025, I'll definitely know that I have been a dumb ass. I was a dumb ass in 2021. Something which I'll feel in 2025. The same thing which I feel for 2014 video right now, right? So that's the journey. In 5 years, are you improving yourself in the second segment, self-auditing? That's what you have to figure out, all right? So in that process of self-auditing in the second segment, you'll figure out that one thing eventually, not over the night, eventually, and then that would be your passion. My passion right now is to communicate with people through digital platforms. And that's where now my work is correlating. My work is what? I'm trying to help brands stand out and connect with their audience using contextual content marketing and paid ads, which can connect with audience with emotions. So all I'm trying to do with digital space is communicate between brand and audience. The same thing which I'm trying to do. I'm trying to communicate to you. That's it. So, I mean, nobody will talk about all these things. I cannot sit on a whiteboard and then draw all these things. Probably I will do that later on, but this is raw, uncut thoughts when I'm just having my morning drink and then going through a couple of DMs randomly and then picking up one random. And good that today, by the way, today, what is the date? I'll show you the date as well. Today, the date is 2nd January. All right, 2nd January, 2021, Saturday it is 8 o'clock. I woke up late today because I was working a little bit late night, and yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Let me know what do you think about this. What's your passion? Or if you don't have any passion right now, comment below what are those 3 to 5 things which you like doing in the now. All right, share those things in the comments below so that it might help somebody else. All right, you might be able to figure out, but somebody might not be, and your comment, if they read, it will help them to figure theirs as well. So please comment down below, share this video with somebody who is trying to figure out passion, who is not passionate about digital space but still want to earn money, and overall in life as well. And see, the entire thing which I talked about revolves around your life, and that's where I always tell people that life is your macro niche. Your life is your macro niche, and whatever you do within will then divide into in between niche or micro niche eventually. All right, with that being said, this is your host and host Digital Pratik signing off. I'll see you tomorrow.